In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Steam Mobile Points. If you want to access your Steam points directly from your phone, the good news is that it's very simple once you know where to look in the Steam mobile app. Steam points can be used through the Point Shop, and there are a couple of easy ways to get there on mobile. Start by opening the Steam mobile app on your phone and make sure you're signed into your account. Once the app is open, look to the top left corner of the screen and tap the three-line menu icon. This will open the main navigation menu for the app, where you can access different areas of Steam. From that menu, tap Store. After the Store section opens, look for the option labeled Points Shop and select it. This will take you to the area where your Steam points can be viewed and used. If you don't immediately see it, just take a moment to scroll or let the page finish loading, since app navigation can vary slightly depending on your device or app version. There's also another way to reach the same place. Instead of going through the store menu, you can go to your profile inside the Steam mobile app. Once you're on your profile page, tap Edit Profile. In that section, look for the Points Shop link and tap it. That will bring you directly to the same destination. So, whether you go through the main menu and then the store, or through your profile and edit profile, both paths will let you access the Steam Point Shop from your phone. If one method is easier for you to remember, feel free to stick with that one. That's all there is to it, and now you know exactly where to go to use Steam points in the Steam mobile app.